Have you ever pondered the intricacies of the stock market? How about the thrill of making smart investment decisions that could potentially amass a fortune? Welcome to a journey through the stock market game, a fascinating educational simulation that brings the world of stocks and bonds right at your fingertips. Imagine a classroom where 4th to 12th graders manage a virtual $100,000 investment portfolio. Yes, you heard it right, $100,000. The stock market game, designed to engage students in the world of economics, investing, and personal finance, does just that. It's not just a game, it's a practical tool for learning, preparing nearly 20 million students for financially independent futures. How does it work, you ask? Well, it all starts with registration. Individuals or teams kick off with a hypothetical cash account of $100,000. The game is accessible to students through schools or independently. Adults can also register on behalf of students under 18. After registration, participants receive login details for their investment portfolio. With this virtual capital, students research and apply their investment ideas. They buy and sell stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and much more to create a high-performing portfolio. The platform provides an easy-to-read portfolio interface with up-to-date information, interactive graphing, and charting tools to monitor performance. But worry not. The game doesn't leave you in the deep end. It offers comprehensive support, including lesson plans, learning activities, and assessments for teachers through the Teacher Support Center. These resources help integrate the game into the classroom effectively and provide real-world practice in core academic subjects. The learning doesn't stop within the confines of a classroom. Participants have access to their portfolios via the Stock Market Game app, extending the learning experience beyond the classroom walls. The game encourages teamwork, collaboration, and the application of leadership and organizational skills. There are also additional educational opportunities. Invest Right, a national essay competition, serves as a culminating activity for students, allowing them to put into words what they've learned in the stock market game. Invest It Forward is an initiative that brings financial professionals into classrooms to provide real-world insights. And the Capitol Hill Challenge connects students with the U.S. government, enhancing their understanding of civics and government operations. The stock market game is more than just a game. It's a comprehensive educational program that prepares students for financial independence and literacy through practical, engaging learning experiences. It's offered at little to no cost, thanks to various sponsors and donors, making it accessible to a wide range of schools and educational settings. For more detailed information or to get involved, do visit the official website of the Stock Market Game at www.stockmarketgame.org. Immerse yourself in the world of stocks, bonds, and savvy investment decisions. Because why just learn about the stock market when you can experience it for yourself?